and behind router number. Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, today I have a very interesting scenario based networking question. First of all, see my scenario. In my scenario, there are two routers, R1 and R2. Both the routers are connected to MPLS router, and you can see the IP subnet, IP configuration between R1 and MPLS, between MPLS and R2. Behind R1 and R2, I have a LAN. I have created one loopback. See, on router number 1, subnet is LAN subnet is 10.1.1.0/24, and behind router number 2, my LAN subnet is 20.1.1.0/24. And see the issue, when I am pinging 10.1 from router number 2, then you can see the result, right? I said ping and the IP address 10.1.2, and here is the result. You can see success rate is 40%. Some packet is getting dropped and some are getting reply. See, let me ping again 10.1.1.1, and you can see first packet drop, then we got the reply, then again 2 packet got dropped, then again I got the reply. So success rate is 40% because we sent 5 ICMP packet and we got reply of 2 packet only, right? So that's why success rate is 40%. Now you need to tell me what can be the reason. Just guess what can be the reason, where can be the reason, and why this can happen. Even from router number 1, if I am going to ping 20, let me show you ping 20.1.1 here, then see ping is not working here. All the packet is getting discarded, destination unreachable. Right, I'm getting destination unreachable error here on router number 1, and on router number 2 I'm getting 40% success rate, right, while pinging to 10 subnet from R2. Even if I'm going to apply the source, change the source 20.1.1, then you can see the result. Now you can see we are not getting any reply. We are not getting any reply now, right? And if you want to see like router 1 is receiving the request or not, you can debug ICMP, right? This is not like you are not allowed every time to run debug command in production, because it can increase the CPU utilization and your CPU can spike. Because of that, device can reboot. Okay, so it is not allowed in the production, but here you can use it for testing, right, to diagnose the issue, to investigate the scenario. And now if I'm going to ping, okay, let me ping first without updating the source IP address, and here you can see we got the reply, and router number 1 is generating reply. Here you can see ICMP echo reply to source this and destination this, right? Because when I am pinging to 10 submit from R2 without updating source IP address, then source is going to be exit interface IP. Exit interface IP is 2.2.2.1, right? So R1 is replying to 2.2.2.1, but on router number 1 we have only 2 reply, right? Not 5 reply. I am expecting 4 reply here in the debugging, but that is not happening. See, router 1 is only replying to 2 ICMP packet. Okay, and if I will send again ping packet with update source 20.1.1, then you can see here again router 1 is replying to 20.1, 20.1. This time router 1 is replying to all the packets, right? Here I am able to see 5 reply packet on router number 1, but on router number 2 you can see success rate is 0%. So these are clue, right, I have given you for troubleshooting, just to guess the issue. Okay, if you have learned CCNA and CCNP properly, you should have knowledge what is happening behind the scene, what is happening on the routers, maybe on the MPLS router, right? What we need to check first. Okay, so if you can guess the issue, please let me know your answer in the comment section, why this can happen here, right? When I am updating source IP address on router number 2 and then pinging to 10.1.1, then router 1 is replying to all packet, but on router number 2 we are not able to see any result, right? We are not getting any output. But when I am not updating the source IP address, when I am pinging from the WAN interface 2.2.2, then I am getting 40% success rate, right? And router 1 is only replying to 2 ICMP packet, right? So these are more than sufficient to understand the issue. right? Just I want to test your knowledge, right?